We'll continue with the 11th standard economics, law of equi-marginal utility. So this law of equi-marginal utility, it's applicable for the single commodity. Usually the law of diminishing marginal utility applicable for the single commodity. But our wants are unlimited. So to satisfy or to analyze this situation, this law of marginal utility has derived. So this equi-marginal utility is also called as a law of substitution, law of consumer equilibrium, goes in second law, law of maximum satisfaction. These are the other names. So see the definition. Marshall has given the definition. Our wants are unlimited. To satisfy our unlimited wants, we have to get a maximum satisfaction only. Two product we are using, a three product we are using. Using the two product, we should have a maximum satisfaction using the same income. That's what they wanted to explain in this law. So for this assumption are that consumer should be have a mentality or behavior should have that you should have get a maximum satisfaction, that eagerness that consumer should have. Second is it should be a cardinal numbers 1 to 3 like that. Next the money, it should be same. Whatever the money of a product, it should be same. Constant means same. The income of a consumer should be given. How much he is spending for both, equally spending or not, that income should be there. Then it should be a perfect competition should be there. Quantity, quality wise, taste wise, the competition should be perfect. Next, price of each commodity should be given. Price of each commodity should be given. Then it should be a law of diminishing margin. That means if I eat more and more, my wants should be reduced. Like that, the law of diminishing margin utility should operate there. Like that, the situation should be there. So for this law explanation, they given as a example apple and orange. For the consumer is having a limited income. So using that limited income, he has to buy apple and orange. And he should get a maximum satisfaction of a equilibrium. Equilibrium means equal satisfaction with the both apple and orange. So that only see the formula. Marginal utility of apple divided by price of apple. Next, marginal utility of orange, price of orange. So equal to K. K means constant income should be there. Next, see the table there. In the table you can see the income of that units of commodities given, marginal utility, total utility of apple given. Next, say separate total utility of orange, marginal utility of orange, MU as given. So in this diagram you can see, see there, the income is suppose of 14 rupees. You want to spend it using the income. So next, what is the equivalency? The entire 14 rupees he has to spend on apple and orange. Apple is 1 rupees, orange also 1 rupees only. It should be there. So in that only, see 1 rupee, he should get a maximum satisfaction. See in the given, they given you buy 5 unit apple, 4 unit of orange. So you can see in the diagram 5 unit of apple, see 88, and having a 5 rupees, that red color shaded, see there 5 units of apple 88, and it given as a 10 divided by 2, 5 it is as come, see there. Next, 4 units of orange, see there 54 total utility, and the marginal utility also is given as a 5. So here also 5, there also 5. So it is in the 4th unit of orange, 5th unit of apple is the same. So they given, see there. So that's why 88 plus 54, 4 unit and 5 unit. See there in the table, 88 red color, 54. If you add means 142 units will come. 10 divided by 2, see then in the table, 15 divided by 2, and the 10 divided, here also 5, there also 5, 5 divided by 1, here also 5 divided by 2. So this is the place where, yeah, consumer is getting a maximum of satisfaction. So this can, that's why they given that equilibrium is explained. So you see there in the diagram, see A2 A3 B2 B3. In the diagram, see A2 A3 B2, second line blue color, second line. So that is not equal. For A2 A3, see there A2 A3 first line here in the diagram, first diagram la A2 A3, second line A B2 B3, that is not equal. But when you meet that both the diagram, see the diagram x is a money, that is a income, y is a marginal utility, x axis income, y axis marginal utility. So both utility orange and apple, both having a equal satisfaction at the A and A1, B and B1 first line, A1 A and A1, B here in the second diagram, B and B1 second line. First diagram la first line, second diagram la second line. Both are equal. That is the upper line, blue color dotted line only joins. There only gets a maximum satisfaction. So that's what about the, that's why phi is equal to phi. In the table you refer and see the diagram. So this is a point where both apple and orange spend on the income and gets a maximum of satisfaction with the both the commodity or a product. So here for this law, criticism. So this law cannot be touch and all cannot be. It can be only be cannot be. It can be only felt. Felt means for me enough, like that you'll say, no, that is a feeling. It cannot be touch and count it. Next, this law cannot be durable goods. That means for a fridge, TV, that durable goods, it can be only for the feelings. It can be measured. So this is all about the equi marginal utility.